Hello and good evening to you all. This is Samuel and I can welcome you to Exam Online Academy. So, in this video, we'll be looking at introduction to AutoCAD user interface. So, we'll be looking at introduction to AutoCAD's user interface. But before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and drop your comment. So, as we are going to proceed, so you need AutoCAD to be installed on your system. And also, you need a mouse with a little scroll button and your keyboard. Now, for it to be effective, you need a good system with good system properties so that the software can actually run smoothly on your system. Okay, so in the absence of AutoCAD, if you have AutoCAD Plant Ready, you can still make use of it, or if you have Advanced Steel, you can still make use of those software. So let's see. Let's see. So right now, so let me share my desktop. So this is my desktop right now. So I'm going to locate the AutoCAD icon. This is the AutoCAD icon here, this red capital A. So I'll just click on it. And I have AutoCAD 2019 English. So that means I'm using the 2019 version of AutoCAD. Okay, so how do we load the software? To load the software, now I have on click. To load the software, I'm going to double click, that is left click twice, repeatedly. 1, 2. So the software now is loading, actually loading. So the software is loading. So we'll have to wait for a little while for it to load. Okay, now it has finished loading. So you can see get started, recent document, notification, connect. So while I have recent document, if you're using this software for the first time, they'll look like recent document. I have recent document because I've already worked on this document. So right now we're going to go to the drawing area. How do we go to the drawing area? You click on start drawing. Just click once on start drawing and you get to this environment. This is where our drawing is going to take place. So right now, I'm going to explain each of the section, what they stand for. So moving to the top left-hand corner, you see the capital A, red A. This is called the application menu. Okay, this is the application menu. This section is the quick access toolbar. Then this is the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into sections. We have various ribbon tabs. Right now, the ribbon is on the home tab. Then if I move to insert and I click on insert, this is the insert ribbon. It has changed to insert ribbon. I click on annotate, then this is the annotate ribbon. So we have a couple of ribbons there, various types of ribbon. So whichever one I click, that is the one that is going to be displayed. Let me go back to the home ribbon. So if you see that, you can see that the ribbon has actually, for the home, has been divided into various sections. We have the draw section, we have the modify section, we have the annotation section, we have the layer section, we have the block section, we have properties, group, utilities, and all that. Okay, so let's move down. We have model, we have layout 1, we have layout 2. Okay. Okay, so this is this is the compass. This is called the compass. This is the compass. While this is called the navigation bar. This is called the navigation bar. Okay, this is called a command window or command line. Whenever we type a command or click on something, instructions are going to pop here. So when you're working with AutoCAD, pay attention to this command line. It's very, very important. So let me click on this. I'm going back to the ribbon. I'll click on this line. When I click, something appears on the command line. Say line, specify first point. If I click on any point now, it tells you to specify next point. I click on another point, it tells you to specify next point. So I'm going to click on escape. When I click on escape, nothing's on the command line anymore. So I move down to the bottom right hand corner. This is called the status bar. This is the status bar. Okay. Oh, this is the status bar. Okay. So in our next lesson, we'll actually look at each of these parts that I have described in detail, each of them. So at this point, we are going to call it a day. We are going to call it a day at this point. So we'll be calling it a day at this point. And I would like you to subscribe, like, and comment on this video so you can connect with me either via Instagram. My Instagram username is edsamforreal, or via WhatsApp, or via both of them. Okay, so we're going to meet in the next class where we'll look at what we just explained in detail. So, bye.